Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, B2B companies need reliable tools to find leads and grow sales. ZoomInfo promises to deliver. But is it the worth price? Let's break it down. ZoomInfo provides a comprehensive database of business contacts, company insights, and intent data. You can target prospects, enrich CRM records, and streamline outreach with automation tools. Its real-time data and analytics help sales and marketing teams focus on the right leads, reduce wasted effort, and improve conversion rates. ZoomInfo helps businesses find and engage the right prospects efficiently and effectively. If you want to boost lead generation and sales intelligence in 2025, ZoomInfo delivers accurate data, actionable insights, and smarter targeting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.